Hi, I'm Jeff from Sony, and these are the wh-1000xm5. Over the last decade, noise canceling and Sony headphones have become synonymous with each other. With our latest headphones, Sony's legendary noise canceling technology has just gotten better. The wh-1000xm5 headphones simply aren't carrying on the tradition. No, they're enhancing it. This industry-leading noise canceling is thanks to the integrated processor V1, which supports the HD noise canceling processor 2N1. These two processors combine to control 8 external microphones, giving you an amazingly silent and personalized experience. Compared to the prior model, that's double the amount of processors and double the amount of noise canceling microphones. The wh-1000xm5 feature an auto noise canceling optimizer. Noise canceling adjusts to you. So if you wear glasses, have hair that can get in the way of the earpieces, or you're just in a loud or a quiet environment, this feature automatically adjusts the noise canceling to the optimal level. Sony's rich history of making high-quality audio products continues with the wh-1000xm5. Using advanced technologies derived from our high-resolution Walkman, the wh-1000xm5 offers its wearers unprecedented fidelity. High-resolution audio and 360 reality audio is supported. Your audio can also be upscaled using DSEE Extreme. We know how important phone call quality is. The wh-1000xm5 features 4 beamforming microphones. Precise voice pickup technology with AI uses over 500 million samples to focus on your voice and remove unwanted noise. With these technologies, your voice will come across loud and clear in any environment. The wh-1000xm5 features 30 hours of battery life. But if you're like me and you forget to charge your devices, using a USB powered delivery charger, you can get 3 hours of playback with just 3 minutes of charging. These headphones are lighter weight and softer than their predecessor. We utilize a soft and comfortable synthetic leather to provide long-lasting comfort to the wearer. To avoid any unnecessary noise while wearing the wh-1000xm5, we've adopted a stepless headband slider and seamless ear cup swivel. If you're always on the go, you're going to appreciate this feature. The wh-1000xm5 comes with a collapsible case for easy storage. If you frequently use public transportation, want to tune out the background sounds while you're in the office, or simply just need some peace and quiet while you travel, then you're going to want the comfortable and powerful industry-leading wh-1000xm5 noise-canceling headphones. I'm Jeff with Sony. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.